Here are the numbers. Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. I have yet another bowling ball. Surprise, surprise. This is the newest discontinued ball that I got from Buddy's, 89 bucks. Did you get yours? This is a DV8 Troublemaker Solid. Let's see how this bad boy looks. This was one of the coolest balls when it came out. Thought it was really cool looking, just never got it. Did I get the best pour? No. So I saw these at Buddy's a couple weeks back when they first went on sale for 89 bucks, and they had around 37 of them. I kept checking every day. They would sell about probably about 4 to 5 a day, and then they got down to 7. And I said, I'll pick one up before they sell out. So we're gonna drill this bad boy up and see how she rolls. Now we have our Turbo Pro Seg, and we have our Pika dry pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and do the layout. Cool thing about DV8 balls is they have the dot technology, meaning this little hollow circle, you can actually drill into that and it won't mess the ball up. It won't void the warranty. There's our layout. All right, we got our layout on there. We use our version 2.5 jig. .31/32 alignment rod. .31/32 drill bit. DeWalt Stealth Sonic shop vac, and here we go. All right, getting the 1.5 inch bit. And let's go 1.5 inch Jopo bit now. Finish up the hole. All right, we'll check the span real quick. Got 4 1/4 and 4 1/4. All right, I thought for the grips I would do black turbo quads and then I'd do a green Jopo to match the lettering on there. It'd be pretty cool. So these are the Jayhawk Perfect pitches. Come in red, green, and blue. .1/8, and we should have 1/4. 1/4, perfect. All right, so we're gonna rasp this, roughen up the edges here. Boom, test fit good. And we stick it in there. Boom. Just like that. All right, let that dry for a few minutes. Next thing we're going to do is bring it over here to the press. Now we're going to set the table to 0, 0. Lock the table in place. All right, looking pretty good. Let's give it a test fit here with my brand new Jopo that I just drilled out the other day. Click. Clean it up a little bit. All right, so we got one drill Deviate Troublemaker solid. Let's go see what we can do with this down at the alley. All right, so not my greatest game. I've actually been on the struggle bus with this ball. I've got just over 10 games with this thing, and I just cannot seem to figure it out. So it's probably user error, if anything, but we're going to see. I'm going to give it some more chances. I'm going to probably roll another 10 plus games with this thing and see if it changes, see if it just needs a break in or whatnot. But I haven't really played around with the surface. I should probably play around with the surface and see what that does. But yeah, it's just doesn't strike a lot, right? Well, some of the newer balls I got just are like strike machines. This one just takes a little bit longer to strike. So I know the last game I just posted, I left a couple easy spares that I should have got, and I kind of pulled in on a couple of them too. So a lot of it's user error, but you got to hit the pocket just right with this bad boy. Not really super forgiving for me, right? So let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys have this ball or you just recently bought it when it was on sale. So like I said, I got this for 89 bucks at an online retailer. I don't think there's any left. If there are, there's probably just a handful left in 15 pounds. So you might want to go in there and check. But this one sold out relatively quick. So yeah, I'll give it a so-so reaction. It's not really one of my favorites out of the box, but we'll see what it will do in the future. So if you like the video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.